Hello everyone and welcome back to RiceFix, and in this video I will show you how to remove or replace Royal Enfield Classic air filter and air filter box. Then I will show you how to remove airflow box cover, how to remove airflow box, how to remove its bracket. That also I will show you in this video, and then I will show you how to remove or replace the CDI unit. Also I will show you how to remove and replace the CDI unit box, and also I will show you how to remove the bracket on which the battery sits. It is going to be a very interesting video. See that you watch till the end. So come on, let's start the video. The first thing that I will do is I will remove the air filter, and to remove the air filter first you will have to put the key and open the box, and inside the box you will see a air filter to which there will be a long bolt. This bolt you will have to take out now. So take a 10 mm socket and take out this bolt. This will be a slightly long bolt. So here comes out my bolt, and along with this bolt the plate will also come out. Keep the bolt and plate on one side, and here comes out my air filter. Now this air filter, if you want, you can replace. I will not be replacing this air filter. I will be putting this same air filter back because this is my new air filter. My main job is to take out this air filter box completely. Now this box will have 3 bolts. You will have to take all these 3 bolts out. So the first thing what I will do is I will take out this nut. The bolt of this nut is from the other side. So here also you will have to take a 10 mm socket, and you will have to take out this nut. And once you take out this nut, you will see 2 bolts here. These 2 bolts you will have to take out now. So here comes out my both the bolts. And once you take out both these bolts, the nut which you had taken out from the bolt below, that bolt you will have to take out from underneath and take it out completely, and put the nut back onto the bolt and keep it in the safe place. Then you will have to pull the box out like this. Now behind this box is connected to the airflow box, which will be tightened with a ring. So loosen that ring and take out the air filter box. And once you loosen that ring, your air filter box will be completely separated from the bike. And as you can see, the pipe which was connected to the air filter box is totally damaged. It has big holes in it. This can also be a reason why this bike was misfiring. So I will replace it with a new one, but first I will restore this box. Now let's take out the airflow box. Now this airflow box will have 2 bolts. Now as you can see here, there is 1 bolt here, and if you go on the other side, then here you will see 1 bolt. Now both these bolts you will have to take out. Now this bolt you will have to loosen if you want to remove the cover of this airflow box. So first I will take out the bolt from this side, take a 10 mm socket and take this bolt out completely. So here comes my 1 bolt out. Now the bolt from the other side is totally rusted. Before taking it out, I will take out this cover first by pulling it. If I pull it, just see how it has come out from this slot. Now this same pressing system there will be at the bottom as well. That also you will have to pull and take out completely. Now to take out this cover, you will have to loosen the bolt which is there on the other side, which is rusted. But that bolt was already loose and it was rusted and totally damaged. That is the reason why this cover is come out without me loosening that bolt. Now I will take out this airflow box and I will try to replace it with a new one if I get a new one. But for me to completely separate it from the bike, I will have to take out this bolt anyhow. Now here also take a 10 mm socket and take out this bolt. But my problem here is the bolt and the nut which is there inside the box is rotating simultaneously because both of these are rusted and are totally damaged. Here I want to show you that the box is broken from before only here. So here I will give you a closer look how the nut is from the inside, because any of you can also face this problem, as you can see here. Now I will put a spanner from this hole and I will try to take out the bolt, but after trying it for a lot I was not successful, so I pulled the box out with force. The box got cut a little bit, but that's okay. It already had a cut on it. Now when I went to take out this nut and bolt completely, the bolt broke. As you can see here, it didn't come out properly at all. So like this, I took out this nut and bolt. So now I will take out the bracket on which this box was sitting. It has 2 bolts. Take out both these bolts, and once you take out both these bolts, your bracket will come out easily like this. Now this also I will be restoring. As you can see the state of this bracket. Now I will go on the other side and I will take out the CDI unit box. So first take the key and open the box, and once you open this box you will see a CDI unit inside, and you will see a wire harness with fuses and some connections. So I will be totally restoring this box, so I will take it out completely. If you want to learn auto body and painting, then see that you subscribe to my other channel, which is Rice and Spray Booth. You will get the link in the description. So here you will have to first pull out the CDI unit, and underneath the CDI unit you will see 2 bolts, as you can see here. So take a 10 mm socket and take out both these bolts. Now if you are only replacing the CDI unit, then you don't have to take out these bolts. You only have to unplug the 3 plugs which are connected to the CDI unit, and once you unplug all these 3 plugs, your CDI unit will be totally separated from the bike. Now if you want, you can replace this. Now I will move forward. to remove the entire box. Then you will have to unplug this and keep it on one side, and once you unplug it, you will be still left with some wire harnesses and fuses. Now you will see a bolt here at the bottom. You will have to take this out also completely. Now take a 10 mm spanner and take out this bolt. Now this bolt will have a nut on the other side which will rotate simultaneously sometimes. Now as you can see here, I am holding that nut with the spanner from the other side, and from this side I am loosening the bolt. So here comes out my bolt. Now the nut which was there for this bolt from the other side, now put it back on the bolt and keep it in a safe place. Now once you take out this nut bolt, you will have to take this wire harness out from the box by pulling it out from the back side. As you can see here how I am pulling the wire harness out from the back side. It will have a rubber gasket that also you will have to pull out. So once you take out all of this, your CDI unit box is now totally separated from the bike. Now if you want, you can replace this or you can restore this. So I will be restoring this box. So here I will show you the battery bracket, and as you can see here, this is the battery bracket, and as you can see how it is rusted. So this also I will be restoring, and this also I will take out completely from the bike. Now to take it out completely, I will have to go back on the other side. So here I am come on the other side again, and as you can see here on this side you will see two bolts, one up and one down. These two bolts you will have to take out completely now, and once you take out both these bolts, you will have to go on the other side and your bracket will come out easily like this. Now if you want, you can replace this with a new one or you can restore this. Now once you are done restoring these brackets, or if you are putting a new one, as you can see here I have restored my bracket. I have primed it and painted it completely now. Now before putting it back, you will have to do one important thing, and that is you will have to apply grease on this entire part, because of which your bracket will get double protection and it will also get a long life. Now if you want your bike parts to last longer, then you will have to do this process of applying grease. Now the last thing what I did was I took out the battery bracket. So I will put that thing first back. The last thing what you take out, always you should be putting that thing back again first. So put the bracket in position, then go on the other side, and the two bolts which you had taken out, now put them back and tighten them. Once you tighten both these bolts, I will take the airflow box bracket, and for that also I will apply grease before I put it back. And once you apply the grease, put it in position and put back those bolts and then tighten them properly. And once you tighten both these bolts, I will take my airflow box. I did not get the new one, so I will put the old one back. So to put this back, first thing you'll have to connect it to the carburetor like this, then go on the other side and check if it is properly connected to the carburetor. If the connection is proper, there should be a tightening ring here, but there is no tightening ring on this box. There is only a zip locker. So I will slide this zip locker slightly this side and I will put it in position. Then you will have to put back those two bolts which you had taken out from this box, one on this side and one on the other side. Now if your box is new, then these bolts will go in nicely. Now since this is my old box, I will try to put them back anyhow. Once you put this airflow box, the next thing which comes is the air filter box. Now this air filter box you will have to connect to the airflow box, and there is also one more pipe which is connected to this box, which I will show you in a moment. But first I will show you how to replace the lock set on this box. So here I had taken out my old lock set. Now this same lock set I will put back because I have already restored my box. Now to put back this lock set, you will have to press this lock cylinder back into this hole. Now to put this lock cylinder back in place, you might take some time. Do it in a relaxing way. Then you will have to put back this visor. Then there will be a ring nut. This nut you will have to put back now. Then tighten it properly. Then get the box near the bike. Now from this box there will be two connections. One is for the airflow box, and there will be one more pipe which will be connected to this box. Now this pipe you will have to connect to the box like this by pushing it. As you can see here, I have connected this pipe now. And the last thing, you will have to put the ring and connect the band pipe to the airflow box and tighten the ring. Then put back the three nut bolts, and with this your air filter box is now replaced. The rest you know already what to do, how to put back everything, because I have shown it in the starting of this video. It is very simple. This was slightly confusing, that's why I have shown it till here, because on the back side there are pipes connected which you must be not knowing where to connect. So I'm hoping that this video was useful to you. If this video was useful, then do like and share with your friends and family. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, then see that you subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you will get notification when I release my next video. And like this, you will never miss any of my videos. Till then, bye and take care.